Hello everybody, hope you are fine. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'll be telling you what you can do if camera is not working in your device Oppo A57e. So if your camera is troubling you, you can fix it by following a few steps which I'll be sharing with you in my today's video. But before that, hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated. Now watch this complete video and you will learn what you can do if camera is not working in your device Oppo A57e.